Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in a simple and effortless way. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. Today, we're exploring a significant question. Why does the United States support Israel? This alliance is one of the most enduring and complex in modern international relations. The U.S. was among the first countries to recognize Israel in 1948, shortly after its declaration of independence. This early support was rooted in shared democratic values and mutual strategic interests. Over the decades, the relationship has deepened. The U.S. provides Israel with approximately $38 billion in military aid annually, making Israel the largest cumulative recipient of U.S. foreign assistance. This support helps Israel maintain its qualitative military edge in the region, a key aspect of U.S. policy. Strategically, Israel serves as a crucial ally in the Middle East. It offers the U.S. valuable intelligence and a stable partner in a region often marked by volatility. Culturally and politically, the bond is reinforced by shared democratic principles and strong bilateral cooperation in various sectors, including technology and defense. However, this relationship is not without controversy. Critics argue that U.S. support enables policies that may conflict with international norms, particularly concerning the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. In summary, the U.S.-Israel alliance is built on a foundation of shared values, strategic interests, and mutual benefits, but it also faces challenges and criticisms that continue to shape its evolution. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's a key part of mastering English and understanding American culture. Like the video, share it, and help us grow and bring you even more quality content. See you in the next adventure.